If we have the indefinite integral of 2x divided by x squared minus 8x plus 3. And this type of integral is a little bit tricky, so we can do something like this. If we let u be the bottom here, then du dx would be 2x minus 8. But the problem is we don't have the minus 8. So what we can do is do minus 8 plus 8. And so that would make it minus 8 plus 8 is just 0. And then we can split this up like this. So this is 2x minus 8 plus 8. And then we'll do the two integrals separately. So with this integral, we can just we can let u be the x squared minus 8x plus 3, and so du dx be 2x minus 8. So we have du is equal to 2x minus 8 dx. And then this integral right here, we can rewrite it like this. This is the same as 1 over so now this becomes 1 over u, and then 2x minus 8 dx, this is just du. And recorded the integral of 1 over u is just ln of the absolute value of u. So this becomes the natural log. U is x squared minus 8x plus 3. And so the first integral is this. And then the second integral, we can do it like this. So this is the same as 8 times the integral of 1 over x squared minus 8x plus 3. And then we can do completing the square on this one. So this becomes, let's see, half of negative 4 is, half of negative 8 is negative 4, and then negative 4 squared is 16. And so we'll add 16 and subtract 16. So one more time, half of negative 8 is negative 4, and then negative 4 squared is 16. So we'll add 16 and minus 16, so we're adding 0. And then the x squared minus 8x plus 16, the factors are x minus 4 and x minus 4. And minus 16 plus 3 is minus 16 plus 3 is minus 13. And so this becomes x minus 4 squared and then minus 13. So our integral now becomes this. And this has the form of almost like this. This is a squared minus u squared, but what we can do is we can turn this around. So we multiply both sides by -1. And then if we multiply the bottom here by -1, then this becomes u squared minus a squared. And then on this side we get negative. And so now this formula is for 1 over u squared minus a squared. And so we can let u squared be the x squared minus 4. Okay. And then take the square root of both sides, and we get u to be x minus 4. So the du dx will be 1, since the derivative of x is 1, derivative of 4 is 0. So this means that du is equal to 1 dx, or just dx. And then we let the a squared be the 13. And so what this means is that take the square root of both sides, and then a is the square root of 13. And so now this integral becomes this. This part is u squared, and then this, and then this is u squared, and then this is a squared. And this will equal to 8. And then it's going to be all of this right here. Okay, this is 1 over u squared minus a squared. And then the final answer, in the place of a, we have square root of 13. And then in the place of u, we have x minus 4. So the a here would be the square root of 13. And then the u would be x minus 4. And plus c.